Hello, today I will show you how to access test mode in your Samsung Galaxy A9. First, let's start by unlocking the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now we go into phone and click the dial icon. Now we have to put in *#0*# and the phone will access test mode. And here we have various settings we can use. We can see pure red on our phone. It helps if you want to see if you have any dead pixels. We have green, obviously, and blue. We have the receiver mode. This allows us to hear if everything works. We have the vibration. The phone will be vibrating. We can test the front camera, obviously. We can check the grip sensor, release, and everything. We can check the sensors in the phone. It shows us the accelerometer, proximity, light sensor, gyroscope, magnetic sensor, and the fingerprint test. And obviously we have various other settings. We have the touch sensor. We can see if the phone correctly sees how everything works. And the problem is, if you ever are in a mode you can't leave because there is no back button, it's best to use the volume up to leave it. Obviously there are other things to check, but after all, that's the test mode menu. And if you want to leave it, just quickly push the back button twice, and just like that, we are back to our phone. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.